Big up on yourselves once again, guys. Another day. Bars beats. We'll do some of the maddest reviews them around here. Yo, here happened today now. I review that song by Dexta Daps. None of that. I think these are the first Dexta Daps songs me ever reviewed. And I don't know why me never review more. Because Dexta Daps are one of the man them where when them man they go a stage show, you have to hold on your girl and chain them up. You cannot leave your girlfriend. Or as a matter of fact, you can't go on a stage show. If you don't know, say, you have to go have high security around your girlfriend, or your wife, or your woman. Because them man they just sing 2 lines or 2 notes and the girl ain't gone up a front stage. And if the power is not strong enough, the whole of them run gone on stage left you. So, I saw Dexta Daps. So I review him song and it called Ex-Girl. Well, ex-girl mean ex-girlfriend. But an ex-girl. You don't know it go already. And I be a problem this a song I call. So somebody request that I review it. So you don't know it go. Your request is my command. So I'm reviewing it. Alright. So you are the people. If you're new to the channel now, one thing you have to do, you know. Subscribe. And if you subscribe, I want the latest videos when they drop. Notification bell straight. Also, you don't know so what you have to do is put in your request and review I go drop. And decoding I go drop said speed. So you what now? Run a song, Dexta. Trouble.
Must start for my ex-girl.
You see how you start? Trouble. Go on.
Passion off for make me feel good sexually. Me no know what I am. I put down your palm. But when she blow it like a whistle. Oh God. Oh. The girl you make me miss some more. Me still a see her jabba. Still a picture you a more. You see over there that dog a give you bone. But you a picture we a fuck. Me coulda swear me alone.
No, sir. Trouble. Trouble. Let me tell you something, you know, man. If a picture a girl said speed, but another dog a give her bone and anything of him alone. Well, I'm just done, man. Hey, me I tell you, man, that song ya. Go on. Something about this song ya, you know.
You know that pussy they a fi me one.
Go back.
Or me still a see her jabba. The girl you make me miss some more. Me still a see her jabba. Still a picture you a more.
Hey, that man I reading in mind of many people, you know, man. Him see her arch her back. You know that woman arch her back a walk on. A back as you know. Hey, I want thing me can't tell you, you know, man. Man no make fi take bun, you know, brother. Man no make fi take, you know. Because when the man a member some style where the woman give him, and the member say she a give her next money. You know, brother, rope. No man, don't rotted. You will have a juice done. You see what I tell you? The man has said some things in the song, and in reality, the man has said it. The man just has said it in a way where, boy, me I tell you. If you are a woman break up, me I advise you. People from now, me I advise you. Listen to me advice. Because me want to hear it clear, loud and clear. You what now? Your advice of the day now. If you and your woman break up at this particular time, or any time surrounding this song while it's alive, do not listen to Ex-Girl by Dexta. You will go do something where you don't want to do. Me I tell you. You hear a man I say, man? Hey, hold on, go back. Because I don't want nothing to lie, me I tell Panny, man. Hold on. Go on, listen.
The girl you make me miss some more. Me still a see her jabba. Still a picture you a more. You see over there that dog a give you bone. But you a picture we a fuck. Me coulda swear me alone.
No, son, you alone.
You know that pussy they a fi me one. We signal just weak now, cause you a roam. Now watch my face, me just a wait until you turn.
The man signal weak because he not room. Hey, next time we get that line from brother. No, man, I must bars beat here. Go on, hold on, go back.
Me one, we signal just weak now, cause you a roam. Now watch my face, me just a wait until you tone down. Me start fuck back the ex-girl.
Yes.
Passion off and make me feel good sexually. Watch out. Me no know when I put down your palm. But when she blow it like a whistle. Oh God. She can't fuck off, she want no light. Tell me you love my baby, me just love the sunlight. Girl, under you so good, me can't get over it. I'm here no that is. No, hard fi carry no money. She know say man a old gallus. Now that show me all of it. And him power fi proud. He just want a vocalist when one fi perform in the bed. That's why he must start.
Well on, still and still. But a serious level. That song are well choreographed and well lined up properly. Because as you realize in the background, you have fire in it. And fire is a symbol of passionate love or passionate relationship, you know. So, and a joke thing, whosoever produced that song, produced the video, thumbs up for it so far. Because the mood and everything rhyme with it. You mean at a bar, normally when you find a man in the bar, and when him in a, well, not all the while, you know, but just for this purpose of this, normally you find a man in a bar, reminisce. So you always have even movies when man are reminisce about something, either a guilt upon his head or room and left him or then go in a bar and drink out them sorrows. So a bar it start, see the girl and you see him start singing with the fire in the background. The production of this video, yeah, so far, top class. Who want the music videos, go check out the producer for this, because when the song done, they always show them a good producer, good production. Go on Dexta, go on sir. Cause you still have be a trouble you are bringing at this. Go on.
Now that show me all of it. And him power fi proud. He just want a vocalist when one fi perform in the bed. That's why he must start fuck back the ex-girl. Passion off and make me feel good sexually. Me no know when I put down your palm. When she blow it like a whistle.
You hear that? She put the pussy on him, you know. And when she blew it like a whistle. And that remember, you know. So another man I get so I whistle in our football game. Ball game. Go on.
Your palm. But when she me no know when I put down your palm. But when she blow it like a whistle.
Like a whistle.
Oh God. Your face just keep coming up. Every girl me fuck, but I can't complain. Come me rock your heart. Certified men for me no know if I'm a sins or something. All the way she make it pinch like grasping. Every memory I end of the past. Number one can do, number future girl. Must start fuck by the ex-girl. Passion off and make me feel good sexually. Me no know when I put down your palm. But when she blow it like a whistle. Oh God. Start from back that ex-girl. Passion off and make me feel good sexually. Me no know when I put down your palm. But when she blow it like a whistle. Oh God.
Anyway, song done. Run a song. Alright. Early out. Dexta Daps. I one of Jamaica's finest vocalist right now, you know. And every time I review Niger Boy songs, I always say Niger Boy and him have the same path in terms of how them deal with the dancehall and the reggae music. Them follow the same path. A girl them I deal with. Now, Dexta Daps breakout song is, we call it Shabba Mother Pot. Big song that. And that's one of the few songs where him do outside of girl thing or girl things. You understand me? Yeah man, a big singer. I love his song and I love the whole theme behind it. everything set right. Me don't know how to do the video, but the video. Once you see that video, you capture for the song. And the song is no different. Big song. And as me said before, when me go, if me go at anyone at Dexta Daps concert, is either me go alone or me go and my woman tie up on me straight. She cannot get to it. Before so me buy one of them things the way you put on the dog and when they go too far, you just press the button and then come back. No, you mad? You ever see when I stage show them yet, man? When they them and the whole woman on stage? No, sir. Anyway, people, big up on yourselves here, sir, because me I tell you, say, big woman thing, big song. And I want to hear what you think about it. What you think about the review, and where else you want me to review. So here one of people, as usual. Big up on yourselves. This is a Duke and say, have that.